Tiger Woods, y'all. Tiger Woods, y'all. It's all good, y'all.
Eugene as Iago.
Greg as Graziano.
Emily as Amelia.
Cadio as Cassio.
Bianca as Bianca.
Roger as Rodrigo.
Larry as Ludovico.
Tiger Woods as Othello.
Well, there goes Tiger Woods, the best golfer in America. Ah, and there is his caddy, Cadio. He dates Bianca, but only uses her. And there is Bianca's friend, Emily, my wife. I thought I deserved to be Tiger's caddy, but I guess not. He thinks I'm his biggest fan after all. Well, I am not his fan. He didn't make me his caddy like I thought he would. Also, he married a high-class Australian woman that he didn't deserve. Over there is Larry and Greg. Larry is Tiger's Nike sponsor, and Greg is Tiger's Gatorade sponsor. They came all the way from Venice Beach, California to sponsor Tiger in this huge event, and try to tell him that him and Cadio must return to Venice Beach with them. On the sideline is Tiger's fan, who is secretly in love with his wife. His name is Roger. I just convinced that idiot that the only way he will end up with Tiger's wife is if he kills Cadio, and being his gullible self, he believed me. Now he will kill Cadio and take the blame for something that only benefits me, the person who will become Tiger's new caddy. It is me, Iago. Hide behind this tree. Wait for Cadio to get to the next hole. Be brave, Roger.
Don't leave me.
I'll be right here.
I feel like I shouldn't kill him, but he's giving me incentive. I have my putter ready.
Cadio or Cadio kills him. Either way is good for me. If Roger survives, then I'll ask for the newest and most luxurious golf clubs back, but I can't let him have them. Cadio is such a good caddy to Tiger that I'll never be able to replace him. He must die or I'll tell Tiger all of my lies.
I hear Cadio coming. Ah!
Good thing I have Tiger's golf bag with me, or else that would have really hurt.
Oh! I'm injured. Call 911.
Oh no, I'll never be able to caddy for Tiger ever again!
Eugene has stayed true to our pact of killing Cadio. He is such a dedicated fan and a true friend who is willing to kill Cadio for me.
Where is everybody? This is the biggest golf tournament in America and nobody's around to help me?
Nobody's coming. I'll bleed to death.
I hear screams of another hole, but it's too dark to see over there. We need another person to help us.
I see someone over there with the flashlight.
Help!
Where is that scream coming from?
I'm over here. Come help. Look, it's Tiger's caddy.
Yes, Tiger's best caddy, Cadio.
Who did this to you?
I think it was Roger, but it was too dark on the golf course to see anything.
You're a villain, Roger.
Damn it, Eugene. Don't blame this on me.
How could a murder like this happen with so many people around? Is this not the biggest golf tournament of the year? How are you, Cadio?
My leg has been wounded.
I'll take this towel and tie it around your leg.
What has happened to my lover Cadio?
If only we had a golf cart to carry him out of here. Hang in there, Cadio. I think Beatrice has something to do with this. Oh, is this my friend Roger? Oh, yes, it is indeed.
I can't believe it. It's Roger from Venice.
Oh, I didn't see you there, Graziano. The golf cart is on the way. Why would you do this to Roger? You look very guilty. What's wrong?
What's going on here?
Cassio and Roger got in a fight. Roger's dead, but Cassio's only injured.
So sorry to hear that.
Blame it on the whores. Do you feel guilty for your actions?
I have nothing to be guilty of.
You're a prostitute and deserve to be punished.
I'm just as moral as you are.
Kind gentlemen, let's comfort poor Cadio. Emily, run to the golf lounge and share with Tiger the bad news. This is the night that either makes me or breaks me.
Tiger Woods, y'all. Tiger Woods, y'all. It's all good, y'all. Tiger Woods, y'all. It's all good, y'all. Tiger Woods, y'all. It's all good, y'all.